I'm here right now in Naricar's car cooling specialist. This is where I had my aircon maintained, even fix if there's something wrong, because they are very professional, and then the owner is really a car aircon specialist. They even fix even other aircons like house aircons or industrial grade aircons. But if you're asking me what is the best place to have your car aircon fixed, this is the place. You can find them, the Nari cars, here in AS Fortuna. And the owner will be the one making sure he's supervising all the workers, that he fully trained, and he himself is a specialist, a real specialist, because I had my vehicles here installed through the years and he always fix it, and you don't need to wait because they got parts and also contacts of where the parts can be bought. So this is Naricar car aircon specialist, because I have my car fixed right now. It's got something wrong, it don't cool down so much, so I'm here now to have my car in fix. So this is located here in AS Fortuna, across Security Bank. So you can see the Security Bank over there, and this is Nari Cars. You can see the sign, and here so like a car cleaning, car aircon cleaning costs about 4,000 pesos. That's including the freon. So you can see how they work. They also fix house aircons like this one, window aircon, industrial aircons, or everything.